Step 1, get access. In this case, I had to remove the brake caliper and the rotor to get to this hub. Step 2, install a sacrificial lug nut, like this one. Tighten it, but don't tighten it too tight. Step 3, spray it with some WD-40. Step 4, knock it out with the sledgehammer. Step 5, remove the stud. Step 6, rotate the hub until you have enough clearance to put in your new stud. And you might have to use your hammer to tap it in past the spindle and to seat the splines in the hub. Step 7, use the rotor to give yourself some leverage and then tighten the nut onto the stud. You might use a screwdriver to keep the rotor from turning. As you tighten, the stud is going to get drawn into the hub and the splines are going to seat. Step 8, remove the nut, and now you're done. No more broken stud.